Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for the interactive session. We are here for grade 1 language arts. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select language arts from the subject tab. Scroll to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. So basically that this is our review session. We have already completed all the lessons from ableistudents.com. So we're going to start with adjectives. If you want to learn specific lesson, you can just write down the lesson name in the chat box. I will cover probably today or in the next session. So today we're going to start with the adjectives. Let's just start with the lesson. Here I am on grade 1 language arts. The lesson we're going to start with is adjectives. Let's just start with the lesson. Here is the chapter adjectives. Okay, let's just start with the first lesson. Compare pictures using adjectives. So we're going to compare pictures using the adjective. First, we're going to learn what are the adjectives. An adjective is a word that tells about a person, animal, place, or thing. Got it? Like that tells you about person. What type of person? Got it? Basically, and what type of animal, place, or thing. Some adjectives tell what kind, like Tom sees a big truck. We have a red ball. So, truck and ball are the nouns, and big is the adjective. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, find the red book. You have to find the book that is red. So, which one is red? You have to compare using pictures. So, you are given two pictures. You need to find the one that is red. So, that would be the second one. Got it? The book that is colored red. Okay, find a short bookcase. Which bookcase is short? One or two? The first one is short with just two racks. Got it? So, option number one is the correct option. Okay, find the flat land. Which one is flat? One or two? Flat means the one that don't have any mountains, stones, or anything. So which one is it? It would be the second one. The second one is the flat land. Find a warm room. Which room is warm? Option one or option two? Option one is the warm. You can have heater in one, so it would be the warm room. Find the deep water. Which water is deep? The water that is from the rain, or the one that is in the sea, or yes, the second one is the deep. Got it. The first one is just the water that is from the rain. Okay, find the dark sky. So which is the correct option, one or two? Which is the correct option? Dark room would be the second option. The correct option is second one. Find the hard bed. Which is the hard option, one or two? The second one is hard. Find the thin pencil. Which pencil is thin? One or two? Option two is the thin pencil. Got it? The one is fat, the second one is thin. Find the happy baby. Which baby is happy? One or two? The second baby is happy, the first one is crying. Find the soft ground. Which one is soft? One or two? The second one. The first one is hard. It's rocks, mountains. The second one is soft. Sand is soft. Find the big animal. Which animal is big? One or two? Second one is big. Find the wet puppy. Which puppy is wet? One or two? The second one is wet. Okay, find the sad clown. Which cloud is sad? One or two? Option one is sad. Find the light box. Which box is light? One or two? The one that is empty. Got it. The second one is the heavy. Find the shiny bell. Which bell is shiny? One or two? Second one is shiny bell. Find the round cookie. Which cookie is round? One or two? The second one is round. Which road? Find the bumpy road. Which one is bumpy? Yes, the second one is the bumpy one. Okay, find a long rope. Which rope is long? Yes, the second one is a long rope. Find the happy baby. Which baby is happy? One or two? One. Option one is the happy baby. Find the fat bear. Which bear is fat? Yes, very good. Option number one is the fat baby. Got it. We are done. Fat bear. Sorry. We are done with the lesson. We're done with the questions. Let's just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next one is use number words. So we know that the adjectives tell you about the person, place, animal, or thing. So there are some adjectives that tell you how many. Got it? The one we just completed tells you what kind. Now we're going to learn how many. Like Kim sees two trees. So two is also an adjective. Then I have three dogs. So three is also an adjective. Got it? So some adjectives tell you what kind and some tell you how many. Let's just start with the test questions. How many airplanes are there? You have to Count the airplanes. Two, one. Yes, two airplanes. You have to now count the items. Got it? So two is also an adjective. How many dishes are there? There are five dishes. How many bags are there? Yes, we have three bags, so the correct option is three. How many cakes are there? We have eight cakes. The correct option is eight. How many cars are there? You have six cars. The correct option is six. How many balls are there? There are seven balls. The correct option is seven. How many beds are there? Just two beds. Got it? The correct option is two. How many pennies are there? Yes, it would be nine pennies. The correct option is nine. How many ponies are there? Yes, you have just one pony, so the correct option is one. How many paintings are there? So which is the correct option? Just three, so the correct option is three. How many cans are there? You have just five cans. The correct option is five. How many baskets are there? You have just one basket. The correct option is one. Okay, how many cats are there? Seven cats. The correct option is seven. How many pots are there? Four pots. The correct option is four. How many foxes are there? Yes, five. The correct option is five. How many glasses are there? Just four glasses. The correct option is four. How many trains are there? Yes, just three trains. Sorry, not eight. The correct option is three. How many horses are there? Eight. Eight horses. The correct option is eight. How many cups are there? Yes, five cups. The correct option is five. How many hats are there? Six. The correct option is six. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is, does the adjective tell you what kind and how many? So what we learned so far, adjectives tells you about the animal, place or thing. So some of the adjectives tell you how many and some adjectives tell you what kind. Like Tom sees a big truck, so big is the kind of the truck. Got it? Also we have a red ball. So what type of ball? Red ball. Some adjective tells you how many. I sees Kim sees two trees. So two is also an adjective. Let's just start with the practice question. The same thing we learned in the previous lesson. Now we have to do the practice question. So let's just start. Okay, look at the adjective in bold. Does it tell you what kind of? So now you have to look at the word, and from the word you have to decide the word tells you what kind or how many. A long road. So long is what kind or how many. You keep this very important. How many is always a number. Got it? So if it is not a number, that means that would be one kind. Long is not a number, so long would be the kind of adjective. Got it? The kind of noun, it would be what kind. The correct option is what kind. Okay. Look at the adjective in bold. Does it tell you what kind or how many? So some painters. So some means you have not exact number, got it? But you have some, so it would be how many. Got it? The correct option is how many. Look at the adjective in bold. Does it tell you how many or what kind? A new bike. So which is the correct option? What kind or how many? Yes, it would be new. New is the what kind, got it? If it is a number, many, so many, some, that would be the how many, but the other words are the kind. Very good. A short ride. Look at the adjective in bold. A short ride. So short is what kind or how many? Yes, short is the kind. It tells you the kind. The correct option is what kind. No, no, short is kind. Funny stories. So funny is what kind or how many? If it is a number, how many, some, so many, these words tell you how many. The other words are what kind, like funny stories. So funny is the kind of the stories. You have funny stories. It is what kind. Got it? Okay, the next one is look at the adjective in bold. One wish. So which is the correct option? One is the how many. Got it? Numbers are how many. Okay, the next one is a bumpy frog. So which is the correct option? What kind or how many? It would be kind. What kind? Got it? Okay, the next one is look at the adjectives in bold. Shiny shoes. Which is the correct option? Does it tell you what kind or how many? It would be shiny kind of shoes. Got it? So the correct option is what kind? Okay, the next one is sweet honey. What kind or how many? Which is the correct option? It would be what kind? Got it? Look at the adjective in bold. Two men. So which is the correct option? Two is a number. Got it? So it tells you how many. Got it? Numbers are always how many. Okay, the next one is look at the adjective in bold. Does it tell you what kind or how many? So which is the correct option? One cat. It would be one is how many? Got it? Look at the adjective in bold. Two plants. Which is the correct option? It would be how many. Numbers are always how many. Look at the adjective in bold. So, which is the correct option? Six eggs. So, six is again a number, so it tells you how many. Numbers always tell you how many, and the other words are what kind. Look at the adjective in bold. A big beer. What kind or how many? Yes, it is. Big is the kind of the beer, so it would be what kind? Okay, two dogs. So which is the correct option? Two is a number, so it would be how many? Okay, eight flowers. So which is the correct option? It would be, yes, it is how many. Look at the adjective in bold. Does it tell you what kind or how many? Nine prizes. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is nine. How many? The correct option is how many. Look at the adjective in bold. Loud birds. So which is the correct option? It would be what kind. The correct option is what kind. Okay, well, look at the adjective in bold. A funny show, which is the correct option. Funny is the kind of the show, so it would be what kind. Look at the adjective in bold. Warm hands, so which is the correct option. It would be warm. It would be what kind. Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. The next lesson is use sense words. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the next one is an adjective is a word that tells you about person, place, animal, or things. Some adjectives tell how a noun looks, sounds, tastes, smells, or feels. Basically, that's what adjective tell you. How it looks, how it sounds, how it tastes, how it smells, and how it feels. The sun looks bright, so looks bright. The drum sound loud. These cookies taste fresh. The air smells fresh. The hair feels soft. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, our dog nose feels Cold or pet, which is the correct option? It would be cold, or dog's nose feels cold. The correct option is cold. Look at that horse dash legs, run or long. It would be long legs. Got it? The legs of the horse are long. It would be long legs. Or dash dog sleeps all day. Nap or fat, which is the correct option? It would be or fat dog. Complete the sentence with the adjective. This road is dash. Ride or bumpy, which is the correct option? This road is bumpy. Got it? The room is dash dark or window, which is the correct option? The room is dark. The correct option is dark. The boy pulls a dash wagon, hold or red, which is the correct option? The boy pulls a red wagon. The correct option is red. Your cookies smell dash bake or good, which is the correct option? Your cookie smells good. The correct option is good. I like dash flowers best, which is the correct option? I like yellow flowers best. The correct option is yellow. My shoes are dash muddy barn, which is the correct option? My shoes are muddy. The correct option is muddy. The drum makes a dash noise, sound or loud, which is the correct option? The drum makes loud noise. The correct option is loud. Fred ate a dash apple. Which is the correct option? Basket apple or shiny apple? It would be the shiny apple. Fred ate a shiny apple. Megs lives in a dash house. Which is the correct option? Blue or door? Megs lives in a blue house. The correct option is blue. The baby's hands are pocket diary. Baby's hands are in pocket. You have missing a word. It would be mm. Oh, baby hands look dirty. Sorry, not. Yes, it is dirty. Baby hands are dirty. That is not a diary. That is the correct one. Is dirty. It is a dirty. Grandma has a dash car. White or drive? Which is the correct option? Grandma has a white car. The correct option is white. Your hands feel dash. Which is the correct option? Your hands feel cold. The puppy has a dash tail. Which is the correct option? Puppy has a short tail. The rug feels dash soft to sleep. The rug feels soft. The correct option is soft. A dash bat flew by. Bird or black? A black bat flew by. The correct option is black. Our town is so dash at night. Which is the correct option? Quite a village. Our town is so quiet at night. My cat has a dash tail. Fluffy or foot? My cat has a fluffy tail. The correct option is fluffy. Yuck, the milk is dash. It would be sour. Got it? The pool looks too dash deep. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 language arts. The chapter we're working on is adjectives. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm waiting from the questions from your side. You can ask question if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.